Welcome to creating logo with Canva, prepared by Satria. Start by opening Canva on your computer. Next, click Create. Choose Instagram post and then you'll have a blank page. Click Text and then choose Heading. Type a few letters to represent your logo, then choose the blanker font. You can now see your logo start to take shape. Set in the letters in the center and then reduce the letter spacing. Choose a color for your logo, then click Download, set the type and size, then download it. Select a different color for your logo, then select a curved graphic. Add an additional curve, change the color of curve 2 to white, and position it to create a 3D shape centered within the logo. Upload logo 1, that you have downloaded earlier. Crop the logo and set the position of logo 1 as shown in the figure in the slide. Arrange the two logos so that they are separated by the curve, with the top part in one color and the bottom part in another. After making this adjustment, your logo is complete, and it will be ready to download. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you in designing your logo. Have a great day ahead.